Hello there, kids! Welcome to the Early Readers Academy. Today, we're going to learn the sound of the vowels. And our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And let's begin with letter A. This is big A, and this is small a. And the sound of A is A. Let's practice the sound of A as you follow after me. A, 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 ant. A, 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 apple. A, 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 arrow. A, 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 avocado. Now let's go to the sound of E. This is big E, and this is small e. And the sound of E is E. E, 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 egg. E, 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 elephant. E, 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 eggplant. E, 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 envelope. Now let's try an activity. Let's put the pictures inside the box of their beginning sound. Let's begin with eggplant. What is the beginning sound of eggplant? You're right. Eggplant begins with E. Next, we have ant. What is the beginning sound of ant? That's correct. The beginning sound of ant is A. And we have here apple. What is the beginning sound of apple? You're right. Beginning sound of apple is A. And the last one here is an elephant. What is the beginning sound of an elephant? That's right. Elephant begins with E. Well done! Now let's go to letter I. This is big I. This is the small I. And the sound of I is E. E, E, E. Insects. E, E, E. Ink. E, E, E. Igloo. E, E, E. Iguana. Now let's go to the sound of O. This is big O. This is the small O. And the sound of O is O. 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 Octopus. O. 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 Octagon. O. 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 Ostrich. O. 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 Oranges. Now let's go to the sound of letter U. This is big U. This is small U. And the sound of U is ah. 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 Umbrella. Ah. 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 Underwear. Ah. 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 Unhappy. Ah. 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 Upstairs. All right, let's try another activity. So we put the pictures inside the box of their beginning sound. Do they begin with sound E? Or do they begin with sound E? So we have here the first picture. Insects. What's the beginning sound of insects? You're right. Insects begin with E. And we have here egg. What is the beginning sound of egg? That's correct. The beginning sound of egg is E. And we have here igloo. What is the beginning sound of igloo? That's right. Igloo begins with E. And the last one is an envelope. Envelope. What is the beginning sound of envelope? That's correct. Envelope begins with E. Well done! Now let's try another one. Do these pictures begin with A or A? Let's begin with orange. What is the beginning sound of orange? You're right. Orange begins with A. Next, we have umbrella. What is the beginning sound of umbrella? That's correct. The beginning sound of umbrella is A. And the next one is the underwears. Underwear. That's right. Underwear begins with A. And the last one here is octopus. What is the beginning sound of octopus? You're right. Octopus begins with O. Well done! Now let's say again the sounds of the vowels. A. A. E. E. I. I. O. O. A. A. Can you now say the sound of the vowels? Now say the sound of the following vowels by yourself. Come on, you can do it! Good job! Well done!